Today I am going to, oh, it's taking a bit there. All right, so today I'm going to be working on actually getting it to work. So let's look here. I forgot to switch my screens. So right now we've got the app kind of up here, but the issue is that we don't have any like the failover doesn't want to work, which sucks because I would like it to actually work. So what we're going to do is try and fix this problem right now. So holdings will work. But yeah, for now it's kind of broken. And the reason being is that there's no extra index files for these specific files. Now I was looking over here at, I go to the GitHub. Here. So this is the Filter Me website. Now, what I think is happening here is that the index file is being redirected to in case of error. And in this case of error here, we go here, it's not found. So happy good fun times. Oh, that's what it is. That's what I did wrong. There we go. He shaved, I know. I made all the shaves. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so now if I go to this, oops. It works. His beard was tickling. God, you're disgusting. Also, welcome back, Jack. Yes, it is going to be on YouTube. I'm going to be committing to actually doing uploads. There we go. I fixed the problem. Everything is beautiful now. This is going to be amazing. But if I do this, right, it's just gonna, it just goes to this page. So, yay! It all works. So what we're gonna do is come over to here in the source, and we're gonna say JavaScript config.js, and here we're gonna say URL equals get URL equals if document dot URL document wait get current URL. path name. This prompts location. All right, we'll do this. Current URL. If current URL equals if starts with localhost, return HTTP localhost 4000, return current URL. Securities, right? Import. So what we're going to do is import the config. So it's ... What is that? That's views, right? And then ... config. And here we would say, and this would be what, like a const? And then this would be export get URL. We want to change that to that. This would be this from get URL, right? Yeah, this all seems good, right? Get URL, and then in here we need to do the this.props location, this.props location. That doesn't seem right. URL element. Now let's just do this. Would that be it? No. I think that I don't actually want that. I think it's just like window.location. Oh no, it is. Oh no, I want origin. Is what I want. Beautiful. I wonder if I can move this into the config. Console.log window dot location dot origin. There we go. Let's take a quick look. Inspect console. Yeah, it did work. Okay. So I don't have to actually pass in anything. We can just do this. const current URL equals current URL. Can you fix the white space? What white space? What's wrong with the white space? I'm not sure I follow. Wait, what? One sec. Current URL is not defined. What do you mean current URL is not defined? Why is this not working? It was working. Console.log current URL. It's like current URL is not valid apparently. Okay, so we'll just do this. Stop. Run. There we go. See the white space? I'm on the left. This white space? The same white space is on the right. One sec. I'll show you what it ends up looking like. But no, I do agree. I'm gonna probably get rid of it. Plus, you can see the site by going here. So you can actually go to this now. Actually, it won't load properly, but you can go there. This does work now. Here. There we go. This works. It's not going to load correctly, but it does work. The reason it's not going to load properly is because I haven't actually deployed the actual the site yet to the server. So the data being pulled is only pulled through localhost still. So, but you can see what the site's starting to look like, right? So let's see here. If we do a build, status git commit am updated URL git push origin master. You can go to the website, and you can actually go to the website now. I've started launching it. It's not perfect, like there's still issues, but you can go to the website. Okay, so the server has been updated now. So now if I refresh, I should get no data. Just like full on broken now. Sweet. White page only, yeah. Let's see what the home page looks like now. Also a white page. I think this is a caching issue, isn't it? Not sure how it's possible. Hope you like my Discord thingy. Ugh. What the f- So good evening, Donut. Why is this broken? These all actually do the like these are all the correct stuff, right? Is this like a caching issue or something? Oh. Right. Let's see here. Wait, I know how to do this. Nginx redirect to. Okay, so we need to go and do a whole redirect thing. Fun. Redirect to. Is that it? I think. Wait, no, it's we do this in here. I think this would do it. Just give me a second. I know I'm doing stuff off screen. I have seen it. Oh, wait. My bad. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Oh God, this is so bad. Application, clear storage. Chrome, clear, redirect cache. Reload. What? Why is it putting a double W? It did it again, didn't it? Yeah, it did, of course. How to clear redirect. Chrome clear redirect 301 redirect. Menu settings, show advanced settings. Redirect. Oh my god, this is so annoying. There's like, why is this so undocumented? Why does it, why is this like this? Like, why? Stop. How to show which redirects are stuck, how to clear Chrome redirect cache. Go to the networks tab, select disable cache. It still caches. Okay. So let's see the home page. Console. So this should be an error here then. And it's not, of course. Okay, so yeah, that's fun. Let's rebuild this and see if anything changes. What's up, lucky number 11? Updated build. Oh wait, git commit am updated build. Git add star git status git commit am updated build git push origin master. All right, have a good one, man. Thank you for the raid. Okay. So front end cd stock front end get pull origin master. There we go. Ah, there we go. Ugh. Beautiful. So at least we're getting closer. Okay. So, no, sorry, I smacked my microphone there. We're getting there slowly but surely here. So let's take a look at Tesla again. So this causes an error. Let's fix this error really quickly here. Securities. date dot now dot to ISO string. Oh wait, no, this just is going to be NA. NA, same down here. Dividend NA. What? Line 28. What do you mean? The dividend history is there. It's 0. So the map shouldn't do anything. Oh, right. Sorry. Dividend dot length is greater than 0. For now, I'm just going to do this. This we should fix in the future to something better. Actually, I can probably do this. I think this should work. Let's try this. Yeah, it did work. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, let's add a search bar kind of thing to the home page, I think. No, actually, wait, let's flesh this here out a bit more. All right, so and this would be API. There we go. So here we've got the entirety of this coming, but we want to start adding some of these dividend these equations to it, right? So we can start fleshing it out. But we also want to have the ability to like do a search. So let's add a search on the home page really quickly. Let's see here, search. Okay, let's see. Lib. Def search. Symbol. input header. We're just gonna do this for now. And this will be search.json. And then if we come down to the securities view, here we can just do def render search.json. Symbol will be symbol do, and then what we'll do is we'll just return the data as is, because like at this point, like this data is just search data, right? Def search symbol do this changes to search, and then we do this and that, and we do query equals, and we're going to limit it to 10. That's 10. And this would be data dot search symbol, and then in the securities controller we do symbol. Recompile. Beautiful, it recompiled. And then if we do oh wait, we didn't update the router. I'll say search recompile. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so now we can make our search here, which will be the home page. API, oof. What do you mean API, oof? I don't follow. What's wrong with the API? Equals doom equals page import page from page I think this goes down at the bottom, maybe? Oh, right, this is page. Views. New directory, home. New JavaScript file, home.js, add home.js, home, 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 home. Beautiful. Where did home go? Here's home. And this we just want to do a regular div. And then we will create the file of home.scss, and that will just give us the required file there, just so it gets included, and we can close it for now. And then we come over to here in page, and we're going to try and go to home. Yay, home. Okay, so the only thing that we would like to do on home is have a giant input button. So we're going to do a form and input. So we need to go to here, form. Here. This would be fragment. Oh, wait, that's why. Yeah, here we go. We don't actually need the fragment. I'm slowly going insane. Boom. Okay, and we don't actually want autocomplete. ID search text type search input search for symbol search. So here we'll say Apple. Beautiful. Here we're going to have to do a form thingy here. So this would be React form data. Submit. Form on submit, handle submit. That's what I wanted. On submit equals handle submit, right? No. This would be const handle submit. How are you finding React? It's all right. it gets the job done. Kazim Lumia, thanks for the follow. Sorry if I butchered your name. I probably did. I butcher everybody's name. Should also do the handle change. Unresolved function. Wait, what? Const handle change equals const we want is to come up. Search data set search data. Set search data. Event dot target dot value on change. It's on change, right? Yeah. Handle change. There we go. It helps if I spell things correctly. Wait, I didn't do this right. Oh yeah, this. Yeah. Dot search data. Wait, what? Value undefined. Oh, right. Wait. There we go. All right, and then what we'll do here is we'll have this return back the, we'll say symbol. We're gonna actually change that here. And I'll show you why. I'm just gonna like just quickly update this. So what I'm gonna do is do the search data, which is just gonna be an empty list at first, and then once it's populated, I'm gonna populate a table for people to look at. Const set search, search data set search data use state. There we go. And then here we'll do this, and this will be search data.map, and then this would be result, and then this would go into this. Actually, no, this can just be like H1 testing, right? And then one thing in programming is never celebrate too early. The worst time someone had butchered my name, they called me Jake. I butcher everybody's name. Actually, I don't think I've butchered your first name, at least. But yes, you are correct. Don't celebrate too early. So this would be a fetch here, like so. Search. Then we do set symbol. And actually, I just want this to be data. Like so. Now this isn't going to work. This is going to cause an error because this doesn't actually return data. So we do data like that. Beautiful. Now we come back here and we've definitely got an error. So where is our error? Oh, this. There we go. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh no, not set symbol. Set search data. Yay! Beautiful. Okay, so in this case, each result will be like this. So what we'll do is APDL, like so. So we want to do a quick table. So we'll do table. And this will have a T head. And then a TH will be, so we'll keep this as a H1 testing. Here we'll say symbol exchange currency. I don't think I spelled currency correctly, but I'm going to double check it. Capricorn. Oh, I did spell currency correct. Okay, never mind. All right, and I've got the symbol, right? Symbol exchange. Currency. Oh yeah, we should have the name. Let's have the name be first. No, name is going to be TH name. And then this will be T body. And then this will be a table row, TR. And then here we'll have a TD, which will have the result dot symbol result dot exchange short name. Name and ooh, yeah, we can just do this. Stock exchange, right? Yeah. Currency. Oh, right, and we need the keys. TH is not apparent. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Oh, it's a TR then T. Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. You can tell it's spelled correctly by the way that it is. There are only like 10 people that got my name right. Using Elixir in Phoenix, but still writing views in JS feels weird, man. I can't do it. I want to, but like I can't. Interesting. This one does not have a currency apparently. Okay, and then for the symbol, we're going to make this a link. Result.symbol. TV. Beautiful. Wait, what's the problem now? Oh wait, that's a TD now for some reason? TR. Yeah. The USD looks weird on my small screen. It looks like it said LSD. That's interesting. There we go. Look at that. Oh, this company actually does have dividend payouts in the past. Interesting. LSD is my favorite currency, of course. What about... Look at this. This is cool. Okay, let's see if it will work for a search on a Canadian stock. Let's see what it gives me for CDZ. It worked. It totally worked. Although you can't see that it's CAD anymore. But it did work. This one shows up as CAD. That's weird though that the dividends aren't showing up here anymore. Anyways. Wait, it's $24 a unit? Is that actually what it's trading at? Holy shit. It is. Wait, does this mean that it's back up to its like... No, it was $28 a unit at peak before everything happened. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't just look here. Look at that, see? Made it all the way to 30, eh? Boom! All the way down. Okay, so this actually does need to be like... Yeah. It's greater than 0. But here's a decrease right here. And here, and here, and here. Like, they're all over the place. Ow. I hate having wavy hair. Freaking look at it and it starts to get tangled. Anyways. So sweet. This is working now. Now it's a matter of... And we've got this search results here. Although this search is kind of annoying. You will hate my hair. Is it curly? Is it long though? Like, my hair's not a problem when it's short, because it doesn't start getting wavy until here. Right? Like, it starts to get wavy like right around here it starts to get wavy. So like this part never knots. It's only these bottom parts here towards the end. It knots like crazy and it bugs me. Those are shed like crazy. Yeah. Ooh, I keep knocking my microphone. I'm really sorry. It's getting long though. Like, I'm getting close. Never understood Steve Jobs. Wait. I never understood. I'm not familiar with this word. Oh, ideology. Yeah, okay. One sec. To be honest, he didn't do anything viably interesting for science or engineering, and I'm not exactly sure what he did for even marketing or business. Now, okay, so my take on Steve Jobs is that the man was a dick. And for engineering, I don't feel that the only thing that he did that was like that I think that he was good at business. And as far as like engineering and science and technology and that area goes, he really didn't do anything. Yeah, he knows how to sell. He knows how to make a he was really good at making a business that people cared about, right? That people would get behind. Lifestyle business is what he specialized in. But that's the thing. It didn't matter. It doesn't matter how good the product could theoretically be, right? So like yes, his engineers did the heavy lifting, but without him, the products would have never been the staples that they were. Like the iPod would never have taken off without him, right? Apple was turned around solely because of Steve Jobs. Yeah. Or if it wasn't for Steve Jobs, Apple would have failed a long time ago. But that's the thing though, they weren't. People didn't want them. That's why they were failing. Like if we take a look at Apple stock, right? Why is that being weird? Apple stock, right? I think it's APPL, right? Yeah, here. If we take a look at Apple stock, right, and we go back to this doesn't even go back far enough. Apple stock, right, and we go back to max. Like back here, Apple stock was just like worthless, and it went down. It was going down, and like it went it got really bad in the mid 90s, right? Like look at this. It was over this period of time, the stock went up very little over this period of time, right? Which was 20 years almost. It went up to $2. Went up to, wow, it like was nothing, right? Like, and it bounced around, and here we're getting into like just terrible territory. But yeah, so like this is not a good return over a 20-year period. Yeah, when he was fired, Apple started declining seriously bad. Like Apple never did good, never was never able to succeed without Steve Jobs until Tim Cook. I'm not saying that like so I'm not saying that he he was so like if he stayed at Apple, he could have ran it into the ground. We don't know, right? It's a question that we'll never have a direct answer to. Because he was younger back then, right? When he got fired initially. But he turned Apple around. He was the reason Apple got turned around. The CEO that took over after him even said that firing him was the wrong choice. Yeah, but stock price versus long-term advantage, like long-term success, like the company with, so yes, the stock price might have gone up, but then it also went down, and it kind of flatlined for most of this time here, right? Which is the so let's go here. We'll go back, go to max, and but he came back. He came back right around this time, right? Like in this area. So, like, it was up and it was down and whatnot, but like during this peak, whether or not their stock price always represented it, before Steve Jobs came back, Apple was about to go under. Like when Steve came back, they were about to go under. He had a way of marketing. Is really what it boils down to. He just had a way of breathing culture, in a certain type of culture into it that allowed them to perform. Like I get your criticisms, but like Apple wasn't even the only company that he was involved in that did really well. Right? So like he was a good businessman and he did a really good job at business. Outside of that, he really didn't do anything. Like legitimately, he didn't really contribute much to the world outside of business. Strictly business. I literally mean being a CEO and business only. That's the only thing I see him contribute. His contributions to the world are literally business related. They are only business, strictly business, and marketing. But as far as the marketing go, I don't know that much about it. But like as far as business, he was a very good businessman. He had a way of focusing people. That's not true. He was involved in multiple companies that did very well. He was involved in Pixar. He was involved in Next Inc., which was a ended up being a fairly large company in certain circles, and he was part of Apple. All three companies did very well. I don't know too much about Next, but I've heard that it was a pretty big deal. Like the company did something or some special thing. I think it was mostly around like 3D modeling and stuff like that. But I don't know the details about Next. But yeah, like 3 companies. That's fair. Like I said, I don't know that much about Next. So like I know that it was I've heard that it did well. Outside of that, I don't know too much about it. So it very likely could have been that like he was running it into the ground and he got the right person in to come help him turn it around. But he was involved with at least three companies, two of which were massive successes. Pixar was huge and still is, right? It so like it could just be that he brought the right people together for Pixar, or was able to reach out to the right people, or be involved in some way to bring people together, or just laid out some things. It's just more that like he has a track record of being involved with companies that end up doing well. So like it was Apple wasn't a one-off thing, is what it boils down to. Apple was by far the most successful thing that he ever did, but wasn't it was not a full one-off. But don't get me wrong, Dan Beard, I'm not a big fan of the guy. Like I'm not a big Steve Jobs person. Yeah, I can 100% get behind that. I give him the only credit that I give him, like the only actual credit that I give the man was that like um with him behind the helm of Apple, Apple did better. Whether or not that was because he put forward things or he managed to change the internal culture, right? To the point where it became successful or not. I don't know the intricacies and details around that, but my understanding of this situation, hearing people that were around um, before, after, and during his um, his firing um, of Apple, it very much so comes across as he was the driving force that turned Apple around. Right? We will never know the actual details of what happened, what went down, what could actually be accredited directly to him. But if you listen to people talk about him around those times and talk about the company around those times, there's very much so the atmosphere of that he brought something to the company that other CEOs could not, that made the company successful. What that exactly was, I can't tell you. And it's very likely something that's not tangible. We might never know exactly what it was. But my understanding is that he was very good at business, at least in his later years. Whether or not he was good at business in his in his younger years, yeah, who knows? I do think that Bill Gates though has contributed way more to the world in a way better way than Steve Jobs has. Or it might have been nothing more than coincidence and luck. That is also very possible. You know what? That's also incredibly possible. Yeah, Bill Gates had a hand in saving Apple, but that was it's funny why that happened though. Like Microsoft invested funds into Apple to prove that they weren't a monopoly. I love that. They saved Apple to prove they weren't a monopoly. So good. It's so good. I love it. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, okay, so the search page is now working. But this is still weird. Can jump a chair? What do you mean? Hmm. Like, oh, I hate that so much.
Is it true that you can leap over a chair from a standing position?
It depends on the size of the chair. I'll cheat a little bit.
Yes!
Why is this a thing?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Interesting. Just interesting and weird. I'm not even sure how to feel about this. It's best not to ask questions sometimes. I don't like this label thing. JavaScript focus text. He had also released mosquitoes into an audience one. Why? Why would you do that? That just seems mean. On click. He also injected microchips into our brains with 5G cell phone attacks. Great. Oh god. Let's not do that. Wait, why is this an issue? Wait, this is... That's weird. Document.getElement by ID search.focus. Why is this an issue? Oh, wait, I know how to fix this. What we do is we do this. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Now I don't have that weirdness. Oh, it's perfect. Because of people in Africa. Like, to show off what people in Africa feel like. Wait a second. I know something here. If JSON is equal to dot length is equal to 0, alert no results found. Oh, what the heck? Const has searched, set has searched. Use state false. Set has searched true. There we go. Okay, so in here, what we would then do is we want to do like an alert thing bob here. So what would that be called? Like the little thing, the bar up at the top of the thing where we have a like drop down bar. Browser notification drop down pop up. No, not that one. You know what I'm talking about? Like the yellow bar at the top. The bar across the top page. What if we go warnings? When you've got like a bar that shows up here with data in it, like the yellow bar or the red bar or something. No, I don't want it to actually like be a pop-up. I just want it to be a bar. Maybe alert? Oh, maybe it's this. Oh, that could be it. This could be it. Or no, it might be it. Push pin? Wait, what? What is a push pin? Waves. I think toasts is what I'm looking for. We'll just do toasts. If JSON dot length is equal to 0. Of course, m is undefined. Oh, this is why. What is m? M is undefined though. No. What do I want to do here? I know. If so has searched and search data dot length is equal to 0. No. H1 testing. Oh, right, I need to get rid of that M. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do is do a div. We'll do this. And div class name equals row. And style equals background color red. H1 testing. What? There we go. What's in the... What is the... to 0? This is just if has searched and search data dot length is equal to 0 and then it just does the div, right? And then the else is null. It's called a ternary if statement. That looks kind of thick. I agree. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this because the toast doesn't work because I need that M and I don't have the M. I could probably go find it, but like I just don't. I just don't want to. I don't want to carousel. I don't know. Like actually, I don't know. It's like M. Okay. It does a thing. You guys can't see it, because of the setup, but like, just allows you to do that, which is really kind of would be cool, but you know. Drop me? No. Feature discovery. Ooh, that could be fun. Auto int. What's auto int? No, that needs the M again. I don't want the M. Oh. No, I'm trying to figure out how to do I need an error. I need an error thing. Well, that's what I was gonna do. But it's just like, what if this? It's so big. Oh, you know what? It's probably because I've got an H1 in there. That's better. Oh god, no, 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 definitely not that. Beautiful. No results found in search. For search symbol. The text box reminds me of Android input. That is because it is material, and I picked material purposely. It was purposely picked. Yes. Yes, baseball gear. It is a ternary. The entire thing makes one big ternary. There we go. Freaking beautiful. And then if you come back here and actually it goes away. Now, I kind of want to have it do auto searches other than so you don't have to hit search, right? But I kind of don't. Type equals submit search. That's terrible. I wonder if this is workable on a... If this would even work on a mobile device. You know what? I don't even care. One half of a minion request because it lives live updates every time I type a key. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that. I was gonna think of doing like a thing where it like tries to figure out if you've stopped typing and auto refreshes, right? So like it would be like a set timeout thing. So it'd be like has changed, set timeout. Seafarers, welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a while. 27 months, you mad lad. Hello, undefined. Oh, it's doing the undefined thing again. I hate JavaScript sometimes. Const search delay. Search delay. And TypeScript equals life. I don't have that option for that stuff. One sec. Set and clear timeouts JavaScript. So people can just shout at me. Interesting? Yeah, okay, so I have to like set it and whatnot. So what I could do is like do set search delay, and then in here we do this where it's like set timeout, and then like we do handle submit. Default. And then we do this with a, say 100 second delay, right? And then we do this, which is if search delay is not equal to null, we clear it, right? Which would be this clear set my var. Search delay. And then we come back here and we start typing. So good. Look at that. Like, I will have a big speaker next to my head, and then they can pay money to have something play. And I will hire a deaf guy who looks like me and pay him to stand it there. I don't know why these are broken, but whatever. I thought I had that thing happen. Seafarence, though, how are things with you? It's been so long. This should work. That should not be throwing an error of any kind. Same old stuff. That's fair. I want to add this. Wonder if this would work. I will be right back. So same old same old then. I imagine work is quite busy for you. What's the issue here? Yep, not really. Development team in medical companies don't change too much. Oh, you made it in. You're actually in a development team now, not just an admin role. Oh no, you were. I think last time we talked, you were help desk of some kind. Oh wait, no, that's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted here. We'll just do this. moved in November last year or something. Okay. Well, maybe you told me and I missed it or something. What's the issue here? Oh my god. If search JavaScript test if variable is function. Search delay. Oh no, sudo has been using dark magic again. Oh yeah. You missed it. Wait, what? No, that's not what I want. Ah. Is not equal to null. Cannot read property, prevent default of undefined, of course. If event is equal to undefined, is not equal to undefined. There we go. Interesting. Okay, so that got WA as the search result. So it did a search with W and WA, but it didn't do a search with the S. Now it did a search with the S. You need to change stream elements. Why? What's up? Thank you for the follow. Animator. No, it's the right one. The investment, this is the investment tracking thing. Filter me. I'm dealing with Google stuff right now. It is available though. It's both in the App Store and the Play Store. And I have a 5 out of 5 review. Yay! I have some more updates coming for it. Yep. I have the letter of incorporation. But I'm dealing with, so right now I'm working on getting more quota for the YouTube stuff because the quota is quite low. So if enough people sign up in a day, it will like lock out the entire account for signups. And I want to try and avoid that. So I'm gonna do, I've requested an increase, but until then I'm kind of just holding off on making a lot of changes. So right now, so FilterMe is still the primary project of pseudokid software and media. That's why it's the stream elements thing that shows up in chat every now and then, because I still want people to check it out. I still actually want to proceed with this project at some point. The next thing I add is going to be Twitch. Anyways, so right now I'm working with this book. I'm going through this book right now, and I'm converting this into stock details on a website. So you can like go here, and it will give you all the details from. It will break down this book onto this page. Be like, hey, this company might have a competitive. What is it? A durable competitive advantage. But yeah. Yep. I do own this company. This is a real company here in Canada. I bought it so if somebody has problems with FilterMe, they can only sue the company. They can't sue me personally. Why I did it. Okay, so I want to change this because 1,000 seems a bit too low. I'm still not a fan of JS. So what I want to do is I want to take the length of search, or the symbol, right? Dot length, and I want to multiply it by 100 and then, or 1,000. Elixir is substantially easier than you think. It's substantially easier than you would than you think. The trick to Elixir is that you kind of need to like wait. Yeah, no, it's just like 10,000 divided by symbol dot length. Let's see what this would be. Divide by 3. Yeah, that seems about right. I don't understand the gen server. What do you not understand about the gen server? Also, why is this happening? What if I do this? No, I don't think that would work. how it managed the state of a module. It's pretty simple, right? So here, let's just break that down because this is something that I kind of wanted to do anyways. So we'll go to data here. And we'll say, what is it? It's Elixir gen server. Use gen server, right? These are the things that you'll need. So what happens is, right? So if I want to mutate this, if I want to change the state, it's whatever I put here, right? So let's change this. So this will be state. I'm just gonna get rid of the call for now. Actually, no, we'll leave the call just so we can see it, right? So here we would have head. There. State. Okay, so when you have a gen server, think of it as essentially a class, a completely and totally asynchronous class. It's a class that's decoupled, very decoupled, right? So I assume you know other programming languages, like maybe Python or something that's object oriented. Correct, Choco Foxy? Well, I get really new people and stuff, so I wanted to double check. I had a feeling you did, but just wanted to double check. Okay. So in this case, if I do a gen server, right? And I've registered this with the supervisor as the name, right? So I'll just do module here, right? So like this would be the PID name here, right? Oh, sorry, gen server call. And then the PID name, like the PID, the process ID here, and then we give it the data here. So this would be just straight up pop, right? It would execute this, and then this would execute this one here. All right. So this one here is a synchronous call. So essentially this, because it's a call, it blocks the current thread that it's calling until this returns. So say I have here like a sleep for, right? Now this is not valid, but so I sleep for this long. It means that this will take this long before the caller, before it will move to the next line of code, right? So this would act as if it was JavaScript or Python or any other completely synchronous code. Now on the flip side, if I do this and I do the sleep in here and I turn this into a cast, right? And I do the push, this is asynchronous. So this will immediately move on to the next line of code. But the code that executes within these functions are always synchronous. Always. And yes, these gen server is a separate process ID. But in the context of Elixir, it's a separate process ID, But if you want to relate it to, say another language, right? Like let's say Python, C++, something like that. Just think of it as a genserver.cast as an asynchronous function call, and and a call would be a synchronous function call to that singleton, or that a singular instance, a global instance of that thing. Yeah. Register. Thanks for the follow. Sorry if I butchered your name. Yes, now I understand things. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. I'm happy that I could help. So like, for example, one of the things that I plan on doing is I'm going to have a cache. So this doesn't actually go out and hit this financial modeling prep website. It's API every time somebody wants to access it. If I've already searched for the data for a symbol, I don't want to go out and search for it again, right? Like I don't want to go get it again. Mainly because this data, I only care about updating it like once a day, right? So this I will probably have cached locally, right? So if I turn this into a gen server, right, then I can just have state held in here, right? Oh yeah, and then so in this case here, whatever you have in this is the state the next time you call it, right? So if you were to say replace this here with an empty dictionary, the next time you call it, it will be an empty dictionary or an empty list. Okay, I think that's good, but this still doesn't want to work because it's not calling it correctly. So I typed in APPL and it did the time to scrape with Elixir is more than nodes. This proves I am making something wrong. Not necessarily. Right? It's like, how are you scraping? Like what are you using to scrape? Are you wanting to do rendering as well? Or just like pull down the raw HTML and parse it? Because JavaScript might actually be the better answer for that. Like JavaScript and Python might actually be a better option. I almost want to say that JavaScript might be the desired, the actual, what JavaScript might be better for what you're doing than Elixir. I'm not sure how good Elixir is for parsing HTML. You could try fast XML. That might fix the problem for you. I would have to take a look at like what you're doing, because that is odd. Interesting. I am literally not calling this correctly. Either that or it's not clearing correctly. I'm using REST. Const handle search. Handles search symbol. Handle submit. Handle search event dot target dot value. What did I get wrong? This event is reused for performance reasons. If you're const search symbol equals event dot target dot value. Search symbol search symbol search symbol search symbol oh, that's not better. You can disable the search when you click. No, I want to have it do a delayed search, like after you stop typing it searches. Oh, this did search correctly. I got Apple. It did two searches, but it did get Apple. Maybe this would be better. No, I think like 2000 divided by 4. Maybe, because I think that's, yeah, that's too long. Maybe 5,000. No, that still takes forever. That's still too long. 3,000. Or wait, no, is that larger? That is larger than what I wanted it to be, isn't it? Perfect. This seems to be what I want. Oh yeah, here. If search symbol dot is empty, is that valid? JavaScript test if string contains character. String is empty. Would that, oh, would that actually work? The triple equals? That would work? All right. I'm never actually sure here. Interesting. Oh, wait. What am I doing? Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, it's amazing. It's so good. By the way, this is the website. It's not fully launched yet, but it's coming. Added symbol search to home page. Push origin master. Okay, boom. The home page is now there. It does not work, but it's there. Nothing works, but it's there. it's slowly getting there. I need to really get rid of that holdings though. Page. You choose the wrong framework for this if you hate JS. Look, JS wasn't like something I really wanted to do it with, but I didn't really have much of a choice. Removed what was it? It was removed holdings from nav. Push origin master. Get pull origin master. What did I get wrong? Get status. Get add. Get status. Get commit. Forgot to add new files. Git push origin master. Self and no two-way binding. You need to import everything. I chose React because I'm familiar with React and I don't have a reason to learn Vue. Literally the reason. I don't have a reason to learn Vue. But React is something that I have to program in at work and coming soon. So I might as well use React. Whenever it comes to a JavaScript thing, it's always very pragmatic for myself. I pick them solely for very, very specific reasons. I'm actually really happy with the way this is turning out. Look at that. Good job. Yeah. Slowly getting this all worked out. The next step is going to be hooking up the backend, which is going to be a bit of a process. I'm going to use I'm going to use this. Get started. I'll just go and grab it from my other project. I've got a project that has all of this stuff in it. Anyway, so I'll pull all of I'll use distillery, and then once I've done the distillery stuff, I'll push up the website. And it will be amazing. I'm looking forward to it a lot. But I think I'm going to call it a night. And I'll upload this to YouTube tomorrow morning. All right. Anyways, thank you to everybody who joined in. Let's actually take a quick look for raids. Oh, I can get behind this raid. We're gonna go raid Zorchenheimer. I think he's doing some assembler again. ASM. Anyways, thank you again to everybody who stopped by, hung out, followed, rated, and lurked and subscribed. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again, probably next weekend. I'm just not really feeling streams during the week right now, so. But see you around.